Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this section, we will learn the various key tracking technologies and which technology is very much useful for us in this course. Let's begin. The basic use of key tracking technology is to track the object in efficient manner. We have marker-based tracking, markerless tracking, 3D objects tracking, face tracking, motion detection, tracking, environment tracking, etc. So, in this class, we will be discussing marker-based tracking, markerless tracking, location-based tracking, and at the end, simulation, localization, and mapping. So, what is marker-based tracking? One method for an AR system to recognize elements of the physical world is through the use of so-called markers that, when processed through the camera, alert the system that relevant information for overlay can be downloaded from the internet. A marker, generally a black square, is used by the app on the mobile as a placeholder for augmented information to be displayed. Marker-based AR uses a camera and a visual marker to determine the center orientation and range of its spherical coordinate system. Now let's learn markerless tracking. Markerless tracking, where the intention to present AR is in a particular dynamic environment, such as while on the move, outside, and so on. It is infeasible that markers will be positioned on the majority of surrounding objects. Consequently, in the majority of envisioned use cases where markers are unavailable, an image recognition system is required. Look at the image here. Here, it is the perfect example of markerless tracking. Active tracking and recognition of real environment on any type of support without using special placed markers. As we can see in the image, the girl is having a Lego brick and in the screen she is able to view the city in augmented manner. Next, let's cover the location-based augmented reality, also referred to tracking based on geolocation information obtained from the device's location sensor. The best example is the Google Glass travel guide, where everything is augmented in the glass itself, helping us to know the direction. Also, new feature has been added by Google Map, wherein they have been introduced AR, which will help in direction. Now, the term SLAM, that is simulation, localization and mapping, is a technique used by robots and autonomous vehicles to build up a map within unknown environment, that is without a prior knowledge, or to update a map within a known environment, while the same time keeping track of their current location. This also enables a 360 augmented view. Example is SLA Point Cloud, which provides SDK to the developers. We will be developing app using SLAM concept in our Augmented Reality Part 2 course. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.